How to sign in into Hotmail.com account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can launch your Outlook application in your mobile device or type in outlook.live.com in your PC. Over here, select on Create New Account to sign in into your Hotmail.com account. This is because before Outlook was named as hotmail.com. So you need to enter your email address and password to log in or sign in into your hotmail.com in your Outlook. To create an account, firstly go ahead and type in your email address. Then make sure to select on hotmail.com. Tap on the next button. Then go ahead and create your password. Go ahead and enter your name and tap on next again. Select your country and date of birth. Tap on next once done. For the final step, you will have to solve the puzzle in order to verify yourself as human, so go ahead and solve the puzzle. After you have solved the puzzle, you'll get yourself your very own Hotmail account. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.